You're a lot better. So look, all you have to do is just... I've got some tweezers. I've just got some tweezers here. So I'll just open this. Sorry, I was just not coming in there. Just take this out. It's fiddly. But whatever you do, do not, just be careful, because if this doesn't come out all in one, then you just need to put it back together. But all it is, all it is the holder, a spring, and a screw. If that comes all apart, just click it back together. People think that bit on the end, hang on, where is it? That bit on the end there is a flint, but it's not. Right, so guys, after you've unscrewed that, you just look in there, it just popped out, it just chucks out, that's the flint. So you want to take that out. Right, so you've got to take this felt thing off, so put it back. There's a felt thing. There it is. About that thick, it's quite thick. Right, so all we need to do now is take all this stuffing out. It's like, well, it's cotton buds. So yeah, right. I can do this one hand. Just put my foot on this. Look, just get some tweezers. Just pull it all out. Well, there's one bit. Doesn't matter if you tear it a bit, because it's only cotton buds anyway. Well, there it is. There is the wick. It is a wick. So I'm now going to show you how to change it. So over here, look, I bought a Zippo 1 wick. Just open this up. It's quite hard with one hand. Need to buy a tripod. There it is. It's pretty long. I think 1 metre, I think it said. They're only worth about £1 or $1.20 in it if you're watching this in America. Yep, right, so if you want to put that in, I'm going to have to put the camera down for this bit. I'll show you in a minute. It's fiddly, this bit is. So sometimes you have to, if you can see this, just have to twist it. And after you've got that, just through a little bit at the end, get your tweezers and start pulling it through. So as you can see, I've just pulled that through. So after that, you just need to fold it up like, well, just put it anywhere. But as long as your stuffing fits back in. So look, as I've put the wick back in, it's not, this is different wick, look. See that white thing in there? That's it, so just look, just have to put all your stuffing back in. Alright. So get your tweezers, if you've got any or whatever, and just push it all back in. Try and push it in as hard as you can as well, because it should have some more there, just that little bit. And after you've done all that, pushed it all in, you need to put all your flint and all that. So first of all, you have to put that all in. Put your, you can see this, the flint first off in. So let's just kind of hold it up. And it should go right there. Hold this up. It should go in there first off. And if you have to assemble all that thing again, there, you should, well, if you do, just put it all back together, but if you don't, you can just slide it right in. So it's like that. But do not screw it on, because you need to take that back out. Because this is what many people do. They forget to put the felt thing on, which I was just about to forget. It's quite fiddly because it's quite thick, and I've compressed that down quite a lot, so it's going to be quite hard. So push that on. It's gone on quite easy actually. So let's put that on there. Put this on. Right, no, so now that's clicked on, I've put the camera down just to screw it on. But you may just able to see. Right, if you can see, there, just push it down and just keep screwing, and after a bit it'll stay on, so you just keep tightening it down. Don't obviously go too tight, because if you come to it again, you can't fill it up to change your flint. You can't open it, shall I say. You want it averagely tight though. Right, so that's about it for that. So then you get your pliers and open this up. Felt up after you've done that. It should stay down, that stuff does. But if not, it doesn't matter, just always push it right down. And get your lighter fluid. I've got Swan, but you could use this, but Zippo one is better. It's just I've just used all that, and this is one that I could just find from a local supermarket. So obviously you need something like really small, so you just can flip down there to open that bit up. So let's try and do this one-handed. There we go. As you can see, that's open. Open your Zippo. So the felt's bent. And just pour an average amount in. Pour average. Not a lot. Never overfill it. Just hold it down for about 7 to 10 seconds, and that'll be enough. Because if it's too much, you'll know, because all the felt will go all like thing, and it'll start dripping out of the wick. But after that, just push it down. Just give it a little shake without the lid on, because normally excess comes off, and then it should have gone through. So after you've done that, put the wick, that